There are different terms used in lean manufacturing, different techniques are used in the lean manufacturing process. Today, we will discuss about the 8 forms of the waste, or simply you can say the term MUDA is used for the reduction of waste or describing the wastages in the process or in production flow. So these wastages are like defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. We will discuss in detail how they affect the process or how they reduce the efficiency of plant. First is defects. Due to defects, we have to go for the exercise of rework. Rework is also the waste of time. And second is scrap is also occurred due to the defects. And third is errors. These are the mistakes during process that leads to customer dissatisfaction and increase the cost of product, so these should be reduced. Second waste is overproduction. Overproduction is, you can say, producing more than required or producing earlier than needed. Means you required 50 units and you have produced 70 units, and the 20 units are overproduction. That is the part of waste that is carrying extra inventory cost, extra production cost. And on the other hand, earlier than needed, you required 50 units on the month of 20th date, and you have produced 10 days earlier, and you will carry 10 days this stock. This will cause the addition of cost, often the root cause of other wastages. Third is waiting. Waiting, you can say, idle time when people and materials or machines are not synchronized, and sometimes material is available and machines are not running due to defect, due to power supplies, due to maintenance work. And so waiting is also considered as a waste in lean manufacturing technique. Fourth is non-utilized talent, like failing to use the creativity and failing to use the skills, failing to use the knowledge of your team to improve the process. So these are the element, if not utilized, they are considered as a waste, non-utilized talent. Fifth is transportation. Transportation in plant during production process or at the work floor, you can say unnecessary movement of materials that add no value to end customer is also called as a waste. Second, you can say unnecessary movement of products that adds no value to the end customer, that is also called as a waste. So any unnecessary movement of material, of labor, of machinery, of product that is not adding the value in end customer or value in end product, that is considered as a waste. Six is inventory. Inventory, you can say, holding excess raw materials that will increase the cost, or you can say holding excess work in process, WIP, W for work I in and process, work in process material, that is also called as a waste, or carrying extra finished goods, this is also a waste, tying up space and capital cost. So these are the wastages that carry extra space and extra capital cost of the product. Seventh is motion. Motion is extra movement by people, extra movement by workers. So, walking, reaching, bending caused by poor layout or process design, that is also called as a waste. So, layout should be very easy, efficient, so minimum movement of peoples and persons should be done to utilize the efficiency or utilize for the process. Extra processing is itself a waste, like doing more work, doing more inspections, or polishing than what the customer actual need, polishing than what the customer need. So customer has a target of, let's suppose any parameter, customer has a target of 10 ppm or 10, and you are doing 15 ppm, or you are doing extra strength or extra quality, that is also called as a waste, to utilize extra process or extra worker efficiency. So doing extra inspections, sometimes during the process inspections are done day by day, and many times inspection of same product is done, so this is also called as a waste. So these are the wastages that occur in the production process. These should be minimized for utilizing the better resources of the company. I hope by this lecture your concept about the MUDA or the 8 waste types should be very clear. See you in next video with another topic.